Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm your host and your beautician Gulali Kiafidi on your favorite show Beauty Parlor only on Bypass TV. So guys, हमारा lucky draw अभी भी on है and the more you purchase Sunsilk and Glow and Lovely, आपको उतने chances बढ़ जाते हैं to win these amazing goodies, you guys. And we have Remington's blow dryers and professional hair straighteners. Yes, you guys, we have an amazing deal for you guys. The more you purchase from Bypass, जितनी आप खरीदारी करेंगे उतने आपके chances बढ़ते हैं to win these baddies. So guys, हम इसकी announcement करेंगे on the 8th of May. आप में से कोई 12 लोग जीतेंगे these amazing goodies. So guys, don't wait any further and start restocking for Glow and Lovely and Sunsilk. So guys, Sunsilk say, coming to that. So guys, since it's summers and we all are recovering and healing and dealing with summers right now, जितनी गर्मी बढ़ चुकी है, उतने हमारी skin, बाल सब खराब हो चुके हैं and I think all of us are struggling and going through the same issues. The sunburn is real, the pollution, the bacteria, everything is so real that I think everybody needs a post-sun care routine for themselves. So guys, I'm going to teach you guys today how to deal with that sunburn from all that pollution that comes with summers. So we have this really amazing kit by Truly Komal, which is all in one. एक ही kit में guys हम आपको सब कुछ देंगे and let me show you guys how. So mostly जो हमें complaints या queries beauty parlors में आती हैं from people is that how to use and what to use. So this one kit is going to solve all your problems, especially of summers. So guys, ये एक पूरी kit है जिसमें हमारे पास 5 हमारे पास products हमें मिलते हैं to deal with sun exposures and everything. So let me show you guys how exactly. So our first product from this facial kit is none other than a good cleanser. So let me pick up. वैसे तो it's totally up to you guys आप क्या पहले use करते हो, but I would prefer और मैं हमेशा हमारे शो में यही बताती हूँ किसी भी स्किन केयर से पहले, किसी भी रिजीम को फॉलो करने से पहले, किसी भी स्किन केयर को फॉलो करने से पहले आपको अपना क्लेंस करना ज़रूरी है फेस. So guys, a cleanser is super important and it is so important that I believe all of us need a good cleanser in our lives. वैसे सिर्फ once in 15 days के लिए नहीं, but for everyday wear के लिए you need a good cleanser. So we have this detox cleanser and I think all of us need a lot of detoxing in this weather because we're all facing the same issues. So guys, let's open this up and okay, let me just open this back and see कितना प्यारा है. I mean, the packaging is absolutely amazing. And I think once you guys have a fair share of idea कि packaging अच्छी है किसी product की, then guys फिर आप honestly carefree रहें, tension free रहें, worry less रहें क्योंकि if the packaging is good, trust me, I feel like the product is instantly, automatically promising. So guys, let's go in with our first step, which is we're going to wet the face. आप हमेशा ड्राई फेस पे ट्राई करें, क्लेंजर नहीं अप्लाई करें, या तो उसको पानी से मिक्स करके डाइल्यूट करके देन यूज योर, बट इट्स ऑलवेज बेटर टू हैव वेट स्किन to start your process. Okay, you guys, let's start our first product and मैंने काफ़ी ज़्यादा निकाल लिया है, although इतनी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, but I'm in love with the texture of this cleanser. You guys can see कितना creamy है ये. Wow. And it's a very thick consistency. It's not the watery or runny milky sort. It is milky, but it's also creamy at the same time. So nothing is going to be drooping or nothing is going to be dripping off of your face. Love that, love the texture. And guys, इसके QR code आपकी screen पे इस वक्त मौजूद हैं, QR code and product ID both. And the best part is we are now on WhatsApp as well. आप हमारे WhatsApp number पे इसका प्रोडक्ट आईडी दे सकते हैं एंड यू कैन ईजिली बाय दिस होल किट आराम से घर बैठे बैठे. सो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू नाउ massage this into her skin. You guys can see we're massaging it throughout her face. A good massage is equally important if you guys learn. It's very easy. आप अपनी nose से under eye towards your temples आएंगे and you're just going to slowly and gradually massage it through. And this area, your jaw area, needs to be also, worked on. आप इसको भी slowly अपने chin को, अपनी jaw को, you're going to press it in and, put it in that shape. And there we go. And now comes your forehead. You're going to massage that as well, penetrate in circular motion. And there we go. Easy peasy, you guys. Very easy steps, which is going to help you in your face lifting as well. So guys, we're done with our cleanser and I absolutely enjoyed it. I thoroughly enjoyed this product and I'm sure you guys did too. अब मैं आपको इसका actual result दिखाती हूँ. Once I take it off of her face. Wow, you guys. Already mere sponge pe sara dirt I can see. You guys can also probably see. Jo bhi bacteria pollution, jisse bhi you guys are suffering because of this weather, you all will see significant changes in your skin once you start using a good cleanser. A good cleanser is super important to unclog your pores, you guys. It is so important. Okay. So let's take it off of her face and I love the look. I'm loving what it looks like and I'm sure she is equally also happy. She's getting rid of all the pollution and dirt of her face. And कौन नहीं चाहता है guys कि आप घर बैठे बैठे without having to make that trip to the salon, you guys can, achieve something sitting home. And guys, this truly Komal product is doing wonders to our model's skin. ये इनका detox cleanser था जो कि मैंने इनके face पे लगाया. Guys, इसका QR code और ID आपके screens पे इस वक्त मौजूद है. So quickly take out your phones. हमारे bypass की app को खोलें, इसको scan करें, इसके QR code को, इसको जल्दी खरीदें. If you don't want to scan, that is okay. We have you covered otherwise so as well. हमारे WhatsApp पे जाएं, हमारे नंबर पे, और इसकी पूरी किट को आप परचेज कर सकते हैं घर बैठे बैठे. Let me also tell you guys इसमें और क्या क्या है. So we have a brightening polish as well. We have, soothing massage cream. We have a scrub and we also have a clay mask. But before I show you guys the process to all of those yummy products, I'm going to take a short break. Welcome back to Beauty Parlor, you guys. And today, as you guys are watching, we are doing a post-sun scare routine for you guys, for everybody who is suffering from that, skin burn, from all those problems we face in summers. I have you covered. Okay, guys. So, पहले हमने cleanser use किया है as per and my rules, or regular जो एक basic way होता है to do a skin care. सबसे पहले आप हमेशा skin care में जब आप स्टार्टिंग लेंगे आप क्लेंस करेंगे अपना फेस. सो गाइज, आई यूज ट्रूली कोमल का डिटॉक्स क्लेंसर एंड यू गाइज कैन सी शी हैज ऑलरेडी achieved that clean face right now. Now I need a good clay mask, or the best part, the good news is that this huge kit consists of 5 products, which one is the polish, cleanser, scrub, and we have our clay mask and the massage cream. So guys, I'm going to teach you guys step by step how to use this kit. इस kit की QR code आपके screens पे इस वक्त मौजूद है, और इसका guys product ID भी is available on our screens for you guys to easily buy this whole kit of 5 products. Okay, so this is the clay mask. Well, it's a little different than I expected, and this is my first time using it. So let me see how to use this. Make a paste by mixing 30 grams of whitening mask with water. Okay, so I have this bowl with me, a small little bowl. कोई भी प्याली लेके आप अपना product निकाल लो. And I think I'm going to scoop out this much product and mix it in the water to see what it's going to give. I'm going to add in some more water to it. And yes, okay. I think मैंने थोड़ा सा runny ज़्यादा बना लिया है, so I'm going to add in more product. So guys, make sure your masks aren't too runny or too thick, especially a clay mask. उसकी consistency should be so good that आपको कोई problem ही ना हो. So anyways, I'm going to pick in some more product and add it to our bowl. Okay, so let's mix this up. एक mixture बना के dilute that into your bowl. Okay, we're almost there, you guys. We are achieving the consistency. My tongue is now also not, it has given up on me. Anyways, guys, so we have achieved the mask that we need. I think we are pretty much good to go. Slightly thoda bus. That's that. Okay. So let's start applying it to the whole face. Okay, this is the consistency that you guys will require for this product. बहुत पतला भी नहीं है कि बिल्कुल ही ड्रिप कर रहा हो फेस से, और बहुत मोटा भी नहीं है कि वो बिल्कुल ही थिक और पैची होगा फेस पे और उतारने के वक्त जो है हमें तंग करे, ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है. So guys, this mask it claims that it's going to really detoxify, clean all those bacteria on your face, and it's going to get rid of the dead cells. So let's see what it turns out to be like. Although I'm really enjoying the whole thing, because look at that, isi consistency is doing good and it's performing really well as well. So, and it smells great, the packaging is great. So I am very less right now, because and I'm pretty satisfied abhi tak to. जो जितने दो प्रोडक्ट्स हमने जो अभी तक यूज़ किए हैं, इसके the 2 jars we have used the product from अभी तक, or going well so far, so good. और मैंने आज तक जितने भी ट्रूली कोमल के प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ किए हैं, honestly guys, I've always been impressed. I've always been impressed by the quality and the product itself. Love it, you guys. Look at that. Insanely good. Okay, so we have thoroughly applied it all over her face. We're going to wait for another 5 seconds for it to work on her. Till then, I'm going to clean up the place. Okay, we have applied it entirely to the same, to the full face right now. You guys can wash it in within 5 minutes to 20 minutes, depending on how long you want to keep it. But clay mask को बहुत देर भी मत रखें, क्योंकि clay mask जो है, it dries up and it starts cracking, and you are very limited and you're very restricted to work any further or do a movement even. So it's always better to take it off soon. Okay. And guys, एक और चीज़, जो clay mask होते हैं वो hydration के लिए बिल्कुल भी नहीं होते हैं. They are more to do, they're basically, the purpose of a clay mask is to clean your face. And also this is an amazing mask for someone who is suffering from acne. Yes guys, so everybody who is suffering from acne, this should be your best friend. A clay mask, any brand, वैसे तो, whatever you guys like, but I'm really liking this specific, product, this specific clay mask. You guys can see the difference. Her skin is glowing, although a clay mask does not leave that glowing effect, but this one has left her skin, bright and glowy. which is to my shock I am really impressed. क्योंकि मोस्टली क्या होता है वो इतना ड्राई आफ्टर इफेक्ट आता है क्ले मास्क का कि वो खैर it's good for the acne prone skin, but for a skin which is sensitive or for a skin which is too drying, उनके लिए थोड़ा सा challenging होता है to wear a clay mask or to apply it. This, although clay mask is best for all skin types, be it sensitive, be it oily, be it dry. So at least आप इस clay mask में you're sorted that way. And wow, she looks clean. Okay guys, आपके पास इन सारे products का जो kit है उसके QR code and product ID is on the screens right now. आपके पास मौजूद है अपनी screens पे. अपने फ़ोन को निकालें, बाईपास की ऐप को खोलें या अगर नहीं है बाईपास की ऐप उसको डाउनलोड करें and easily you can scan the QR code for this whole kit and you can easily buy it घर बैठे बैठे. या तो अगर आपको QR code scan नहीं करना है, आप इसकी जो product ID है, you can also send that to our WhatsApp and we will send it to you. Okay guys, so we have cleaned her face thoroughly and she looks great. No lies, no jokes, she looks amazing. So guys, before I step into the process into our process for product number 3, I'm going to take a short break. Welcome back to Beauty Parlor, guys. जैसा आप देख रहे थे, we're doing a post-sun skin care look, the process right now, and we have pretty much achieved it. But हमारी kit पे 5 products है और हमने अभी तक सिर्फ 2 किए हैं और 2 से ही आप result देख लें guys कितना अच्छा लग रहा है. So guys, we're done with the cleanser, we're done with the clay mask. Now comes a polish, which is equally important. Why? Because we need a good polish in summers for that brightening effect, because summers में obviously हमारी skin बहुत dull हो जाती है. Oopsie. Anyway, so this is what it's gonna look like. अगर आप चाहते हैं, you can always skip the polish because a lot of people are not in favor of polish and I understand, but ये वो bleach नहीं है जो आपको लग रहा है या अगर आपको misconception है इसका that this could be the bleachy way. Not at all. It does not even smell like bleach. It's very creamy. It's a very different sort of polish. Sorry for forgetting, but this is a different sort of polish which is not like a regular जो parlors में जो हमें I don't want to name any brand, but जो हमें you guys must have an idea जो अजीब गंदी chemical से भरी हुई हमें bleaches लगाते थे और skin को further damage करने वाले products लगाते थे. We are out of that era and we don't want to go back to that, of course. But this polish is not a bleach. Again, I will repeat, it's not a bleach. I'll just show you guys how. ये देखें. So it doesn't even look like a bleach. It doesn't feel like a bleach. और हम इसको bleach की तरह 15-20 मिनट रखेंगे भी नहीं, So it's not a bleach. It's named polish for a reason, to polish your skin from the dullness, which means आपको एक brightening effect देगा ये. So I'm going to apply this and take it off right after the application. Because she doesn't have that sort of tanning or anything. And अगर तो आपको बहुत major tanning है, then you can put it for a while to rest on your skin and to get rid of that tan. But she does not have a tan right now, so I'm not going to keep it for forever on to her skin. You can also further apply it to your neck, your hands or whatever to achieve that. Okay, so this is what it's going to look like and I'm going to take it off now and show you guys इसका क्या look है. Guys, इसका QR code और product IDs पूरे kit की आपके screens पे इस वक्त मौजूद है and you guys can easily buy it. घर बैठे बैठे या तो हमारे WhatsApp number पे इसको भेजें. अब हम WhatsApp पर भी हैं, you guys. So that is the good news. It's been there, I think. It's been a while up though. But I love that we're on WhatsApp as well. And Bypass is just making it easier and further easier for you guys to purchase बैठे बैठे. Okay, guys, so we are now getting rid of this, you know. Okay, I love it. Absolutely love this polish that it's giving the brightness to her. I love it. Looks super nice. इनकी स्किन काफ़ी क्लीन हो चुकी है and I don't think we need any further cleaning to do. But we're going to give it that. Okay, so guys, इस प्रोडक्ट इस पूरी किट में स्क्रब भी है फर्दर इसके अंदर और इसमें जो है मसाज क्रीम भी है. I initially thought that I would skip the massage cream and do the scrubbing, but now that I'm thinking हमने काफ़ी cleaning कर दी and I don't want to further scrub her face or irritate her skin because we have put a mask, a clay mask also, and then अभी हमने polish भी use की है. So one thing I would suggest you guys is या तो आप इस kit का scrub use करें या तो आप इस kit की polish use करें, you know, at once. What you can do is you can schedule the scrub and the polish in a way कि आप हफ्ते में एक दफ़ा polish use कर लें और हफ्ते में 2 दफ़ा आप scrub करें अपने face को. Because scrub is equally so important for your skin to exfoliate your dead, you know, cells from your face. So when you're going to, जब आप पूरे दिन घूम फिर के स्कूल से, ट्यूशन से या ऑफिस से आती हैं आप अपने घर या आप आते हो, this kit is amazing for men as well. तो जो मर्द हजरात हैं जो बाइक्स में जा रहे हैं, जो you know who are constantly working and doing long shifts, guys, this, you know, kit is amazing for men as well. तो अगर आपके husbands are facing acne or any problem in summers, you know what to do. If he's an acne prone, scrub it. If he's going through a sun, you know, burn, then obviously you will use the polish, you know. So you have to be smart, and I've given you a brief of what to use and how to use and when to use and for whom to use also. So guys, now I'm going to put some hydration to her skin. And I have the massage cream जो कि इसको hydrate करेगा after so much of cleaning and you know, because हमने काफ़ी हद तक exfoliate भी कर लिया है इनका face. So now हम आराम से अच्छे से इनको massage करेंगे. You guys can see I'm massaging her skin and yes, put that hydration back. गर्मियों में भी गाइस उतनी ही हाइड्रेशन आपको रिक्वायर होती है जितनी की ठंड में. ऑब्वियसली उससे कम होती है, आपको हैवी या डीप मॉइस्चराइज की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती, बट आपको रेगुलर मॉइस्चराइज की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी. So you guys can see I'm massaging her skin right now and it's super important to do that as well. I'm also going to massage her skin and lift it up like this. If you have a double chin, it's really going to help you and you know, it's really going to work for you. Okay guys, we have pretty much massaged her skin and we're just going to work it up to her jaw to make it more sharp for her. If you're someone with cute little features, you can always contour, sculpt your face from your you know, massage creams or your serums and things and properly penetrate kare apni skin pores ke andar. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode and I hope you guys learned a good skincare routine, that too for summers. Okay guys, we have massaged this whole cream onto her skin and I think I'm absolutely loving it and I'm happy with my choice of, you know, products that I used. Okay, love that. And this is going to take time to dry off on the skin obviously. Okay guys, so the process is done और आपके screens पे इस वक्त इस पूरे kit की QR कोड है, प्रोडक्ट ID है, आप इस पूरे किट को easily खरीद सकते हैं. So guys, take off your phones and buy that Truly Komal's kit and also buy Sunsilk and Glow Lovely. आप जितनी खरीदारी करेंगे guys, उतने chances बढ़ते हैं to win this cutie and this baddie straightener, you guys. Come on, I mean, we all know how great Remington is and how professional it is. So guys, and no further ado for you all, start buying, start playing and win. And 8 is when we are going to announce our 12 lucky winners. Till then, goodbye.